Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Sajib. This is Java tutorial 12 for absolute beginners. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to use nested if statement. Before starting, I want to give an advice to learn programming quickly. That is, only watching tutorial you cannot learn programming effectively. You have to also practice by yourself. For example, if you watch one programming tutorial, then open your NetBeans IDE, type that program and debug that program and check the output by yourself. Then you can learn programming quickly. Now talk about nested if statement. When there is an if statement inside another if statement, then it is called the nested if statement. Let's do one example to better understand. Suppose int number equal 5. If number greater than 0, then we'll print SOUT tab to print anything. System.out println. Suppose I'm giving the number is greater than 0. Then I'm using another condition. If number less than 10, then I'll print SOUT tab number is between 0 and 10. This is outer if. This is inner if. Inner if, and giving else. Print anything, type SOUT, then press tab, negative number. Save the project. This is outer if statement. This is inner if statement. Outer if statement would execute if the outer if condition is true. Inner if statement would only execute if both the condition, outer if condition and inner if condition, are true. If outer if condition is false, then else part statement would execute. This part, else statement. Let's check. Run the project. See, number is greater than 0. This is outer if statement. And number is between 0 and 10. This is inner if statement. Because outer if condition is true and inner if condition is also true. That's why we are getting these outputs. Now if we give here -5, save the project, then outer if condition is false, it will go here, else statement will be printed. Else, let's check part statement, run the project. executed. Say negative number. The statement inside else executed. That's all for today. I hope you understand now how to use nested if statement. If you want to learn more about Java, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Stay safe.